Imagine this. You're carefully carrying a glass of juice, but you trip and spill it everywhere. You feel your cheeks turning red and your stomach might even hurt a little. It feels like the end of the world. You might even start thinking, I always mess things up. Sound familiar? We've all been there. This kind of thinking, where one mistake makes us feel like everything is terrible, is called overgeneralization. Overgeneralization is like using a really big paintbrush for a tiny little detail. It's when we take one single event, like spilling juice, and turn it into a huge statement about ourselves or the world. Instead of seeing it as one mistake, we might say, I always mess up or nothing ever goes my way. Overgeneralizing can make us feel stuck. It can make us believe that things will always be bad because of one event. But remember, life is full of ups and downs. One bad day or even a series of bad days doesn't define us or our future. Overgeneralization can show up in many areas of our lives. Have you ever thought these things? I failed this test. I'm just not good at maths. My friend didn't answer my text. Nobody likes me. I tripped and fell during the race. I'm terrible at sports. These are all examples of overgeneralization. We take one specific instance and use it to make a sweeping judgment about our abilities or worth. Remember, one mistake, one bad grade, or one unanswered text message doesn't define you. Section 4. Why does our brain overgeneralize? Our brains are wired to look for patterns and make quick judgments. It's a survival mechanism that helped our ancestors stay safe. Imagine seeing a tiger in the wild. Your brain wouldn't want to stop and analyze the situation for too long. It would tell you to run. The same thing happens with overgeneralization. Our brain wants to protect us from feeling bad, so it tries to find a simple explanation for negative events. But this shortcut can sometimes lead to negative thought patterns. The good news is that we can train our brains to think differently. Section 5. Taming the overgeneralization monster. Tips and tricks. Challenge your thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking always or never, stop and ask yourself, is this really true? Look for evidence. Can you find examples that contradict your negative thought? Focus on the specifics. Instead of saying, I'm bad at this, try saying, I had trouble with this particular task. Practice gratitude. Take time to appreciate the good things in your life, big or small. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone does. It's how we learn and grow. Instead of beating ourselves up, let's practice self-compassion and focus on the positive. Section 6. You are braver than you believe. Remember that juice spill? It was just one moment in time. It doesn't mean you'll always spill things or that you're clumsy. You are so much more than your mistakes. You have strengths and talents even if you haven't discovered them all yet. You have the power to learn from your experiences and become even stronger. Section 7. One day at a time. Learning to challenge overgeneralization takes time and practice. Be kind to yourself as you learn to see your experiences in a new light. Focus on the present moment, and remember that you are capable of amazing things. You are strong, you are resilient, and you have the power within you to overcome challenges and achieve your dreams. Believe in yourself, and know that you are not alone on this journey.